A lot of research has been done on the medical benefits of amla, which is called Indian gooseberry. For example, see this bar graph. It is a comparison of the cholesterol lowering effects of simvastatin, which is a cholesterol lowering drug, with amla. The blue bars show the effect of simvastatin on how much they lower the cholesterol, and the green bars are the effect of amla on how much they lower the cholesterol. And you can see the cholesterol lowering effect of both these things, the drug as well as amla, is almost the same. But the thing is, cholesterol lowering drug statin has its own side effects, but amla has its own side benefits. For example, see this chart. It is a comparison of the effect of glyburide with amla. Glyburide is a drug which lowers glucose, and when they compared this medicine with amla, they saw that amla lowered the glucose more in diabetic patients as compared to glyburide. So if you want to know the other benefits of Indian gooseberry, who can take them, when to take them, how much to take them, and how to get them, do watch this video till the end. And if you want to get rid of expensive medicines and you want to treat your diseases with your food, then subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon right with it, and share this video with everyone you know who suffers from all the conditions that I'm gonna describe in this video. So let's start. Assalamualaikum wonderful people, I am Dr. Asma, and one of the tastiest ways to eat this sour amla is to make a pickle out of it, and it literally takes 5 minutes. What are the other ways, how much you should take it, and who can take it, we will discuss along the way. So first of all, to make this pickle you have to grind your spices. So in a grinder, take some Zeera cumin, some dry coriander seeds, and some fenugreek seeds. Along with this, you need some fennel seeds and black peppercorns. Grind them well, and in the same jar, add some salt, red chilli, and turmeric powder. Now in a cast iron pan, take 2 cups of extra virgin mustard oil. You can use any other pan, but cast iron utensils are the best utensils to cook in because they impart iron to your food. Anyway, first add 1 cup, then add 1 kg of amla, and then add the second cup so that it does not splutter around. And you have to fry your amlas just for 5 minutes. If you take any longer, your amlas will break. Plus, your oil should not smoke. If it smokes, it means it has gone bad. It has reached its smoking point. Anyway, fry your amlas, then add the spices that we ground up in the first step. Okay, if you add the spices before frying the amla, your amla will just burn down. And just like that, your amla pickle is ready. Now if you want to store it for a whole year, just put it in an airtight jar, okay, and cover it with extra virgin mustard oil. Any a piece of amla that pokes out of your mustard oil, it will go bad. You will see white fungus on it. So cover it with mustard oil and put it in an airtight jar. Now when you have to use it, make sure the spoons that you are using are completely dry. No drop of water should go inside your amla pickle. And when you have taken out your amla pickle, just close the container tight. This way your amla pickle can stay good for even for an year. And you can take 2 or 3 of these amla pickles every day for good health. And as you can see, whenever I eat something, like I have made fish, I take amla pickle with it because amla has a lot of health benefits. You can view the list, but in my clinic I usually prescribe amla to patients who have high cholesterol, who are heart patients, who are diabetic patients, and those who want to grow their hair long and black. In fact, research has been done that the benefits of amla in all these diseases are comparable to the drugs. So if you want to avoid drugs, just go with amla. And when you make pickle out of it, you take it with a bit of fat, that is mustard oil with it. And fat increases the absorption of all the vitamins and minerals which are present in amla. And not only that, it tastes wonderful, but if you make it one time, you can eat it for the whole year. You can also take amla in the form of juice. How to make amla juice, I've already shared the video, but the thing is, you have to make amla juice every day. And if you want to make a large quantity, you have to add preservatives. So why add preservatives when you can have tasty amla pickle? Anyway, you can also take amla in the form of dried powder. But the thing is, once you dry a fruit, you lose all of its water soluble vitamins. However, if you want to take amla powder, take half a teaspoon daily. Whatever way you want to take it. But do not take it in the form of murabba. That is basically candied gooseberry. there is a lot of sugar added, and basically the lot of sugar kills all the benefits of amla. Also beware of the type of oil that has been used to make your amla pickle. Your amla pickle should not be made in vegetable oils or cooking oils, so called refined oils. They are very bad for your health. If you want to gain medical benefits out of your amla, take it in the best form. 2 to 3 amlas are enough for you to lead a very healthy long life. And if you want to make and sell these amla products yourself, just let me know in my WhatsApp number. I'll share your number in the description box below. Anyway, let me know in the comment section below. How do you like to take your amla? Take care till we meet next time. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.